Hi viewers, welcome to Trendy Crochet Flower. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet flower baskets designs model. A crochet flower basket design refers to a decorative or functional crochet project, where a basket is designed and adorned with crochet flowers. These designs can vary in complexity, incorporating different types of stitches and flower patterns. Creating a crochet flower basket can be a fun and rewarding process. Here are some tips to help you along the way. First, choose the right yarn and hook. Basket structure. Use a thicker, sturdier yarn like cotton, jute, or a bulky white acrylic yarn to give the basket structure. A smaller hook can help make tighter stitches, keeping the basket free and helping it stand on its own. Flowers. For the flowers, use lighter weight yarn like tique or worsted in different colors to add detail and contrast with the basket. A slightly larger hook can give the flowers a softer, fuller look. Next is stiffening methods. If your basket lacks structure, you can stiffen it using fabric stiffener or a mixture of water and glue. Apply the solution to the basket and shape it while drying. Alternatively, you can incorporate plastic canvas or lightweight wire into the sides or base for extra support. Master basic basket stitches. Flat circle. Learn how to make a magic ring to begin the base of your basket. Use increasing stitches to form a flat circle for the base. Once on the base is the desired size, stop increasing and work the side in rounds without increases. You can use macro only stitches to create a neat transition between the base and the walls of the basket. Basket wave stitch. For added texture, consider using a basket wave or ribbed pattern to give the basket a more intricate look. Add handles or brands. For practical use, crochet handles by making simple chains that connect two sides of the basket. Reinforce them with extra rows of single or half double crochet. Alternatively, create decorative brad handles using yarn strands and sew them securely onto the basket. Make 3D crochet flowers. Choose flower patterns with layers of 3D petals for a more realistic effect. Simple patterns like the crochet rose, daisy, or sunflower are popular choices. Mix flower size. Use different flower patterns and size to create variety and depth. Smaller flowers can complement larger ones, making the arrangement look more natural. Lock and shape your flowers with pins and light stain to give them the perfect shape before adjusting them. size until you are happy with the look. Add leaves or greenery to fill in gaps and make the design more cohesive. Small details like spirals or veins add charm to the arrangements. Secure the flowers. Use a tapestry needle to seal the flowers securely onto the basket. Place stitches in the center of the flowers and ensure they are firmly attached. In place for extra charm, consider adding embellishments like buttons, beads, or ribbons to your basket of flowers. These little details can enhance the design and add a personal touch. Embroidery can also be used to add little details or lettering to the basket if you are making it for a special occasion. Test the size of your basket. Make sure to check the dimensions of the basket as you work, especially if you are following a pattern. You can adjust the height of the sides or the size of the base depending on how big or small you need it to be. Practice patterns. Making a crochet flower basket is a multi-step process that may take time, especially when creating intricate flowers. Take breaks if needed and enjoy the creative process. Color coordination. Plan a color palette. Choose a cozy color shape that complements the flowers and the basket. Neutral basket color like beige, cream, or light gray often work well, adding bright and vibrant flower colors to pop. Ombre effect. Consider using an ombre or gradient here for the basket to add subtle visual interest. Without overwhelming the flower design, you can also crochet flowers in different shades of the same color for monochromatic but layered effect. Customizing flower patterns. Adjust petal count to create different flower styles. You can adjust the number of petals or layers. For example, adding more petals will create a fuller flower, while fewer petals will make a more minimalistic design. Experiment with textures. Try using different yarn textures for the flowers, such as fluffy yarn for softer petals or metallic thread for shiny accents. Layering. Create layers of petals with different stitch height, like starting on single crochet or moving to double or triple crochet for outer layers to keep your flowers deep. Use of stitch markers. Since the basket is usually worked in continuous rounds without joining, use stitch markers to keep track of your rounds and avoid losing your place. This will make it easier to keep the stitch count accurate, especially as the basket walls to grow taller. If you are creating a pattern with increases and decreases, markers can help you stay organized and ensure symmetrical shaping. By applying these tips, you can create a unique and well-crafted crochet flower basket that stands out in terms of both aesthetics and functionality. using these tips, you will create a beautiful and functional flower basket that stands out. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!